Welcome back in a new video. In this video, we will discuss one of the most important parts of any claim, that is supporting evidence. Okay, so supporting evidence for claims. So even your delay or cost claim is technically correct, it will not be accepted without strong and organized evidence. So let's understand what supporting evidence means and what types are acceptable and how to manage them properly. Okay, so here we have the purpose of supporting evidence. So for here you can see to substantiate entitlement, causation, and quantum of the claim, then to demonstrate that the delay or impact was beyond the contractor's control. Okay, then to enable the engineers or client to evaluate the claim objectively and fairly. So here you can see I have also added here the reference. So the main purpose of supporting evidence is to prove your entitlement. It helps to show what happened, why it happened, and how it affected the project. So supporting evidence has main three goals. First one is to prove your entitlement, then to show the causation, and third you can say to justify the quantum. Okay, so this evidence allows the engineer or client to review your claim fairly and objectively. Okay, so here you can see I have added here the reference as per the AAC recommended practice 29R dash 03 and FedEx subclause 20.1. The contractor must provide proper evidence when submitting a claim. So I hope this is clear. Next, we have acceptable types of evidence. Okay, so contract document. Second, we have schedule, records, then cost and resource data, then communication evidence. Okay. Okay. First, contract document. It includes the contract agreement, conditions of contract, specifications, and approved drawings. So these define your obligation and the rights. So they are the base for uh, your entitlement. Okay. The second we have here the schedule. So you need the approved baseline schedule, updated programs, and time impact analysis to show the effect of delay on the critical path. So these help, to prove when and how the delay occurred. Next, we have records. So such a daily progress report, site diaries, photographs, meeting minutes, and correspondence logs. So these are the most powerful form of evidence because they are recorded on site during the project. Okay, so next we have cost and resource data. It include manpower and equipment logs, cost reports, and payment records. So these are required to prove the financial side of your claims. Last, we have communication evidence, like notices of delay, letters, emails, and instructions related to event. So these documents show that you inform the engineer or client properly and within the required timeline. Okay, so here we have the references as per the AACE RP59R 09 SCL protocol. So these are the standard and acceptable forms of claim evidence. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So next we have the requirements for evidence. Okay, so not all evidence is acceptable automatically. Okay, It must meet some important conditions. So for here, you can see first must be contemporaneous, recorded at the time of the event. So the evidence must be recorded at the time of the event, not created later. For example, a daily report made during the delay period is stronger than a report written after 2 months. Okay. So next we have must be accurate and consistent. Okay, across documents. So all your records must match each other. Date, quantities, and events in reports, schedules, and real letters should not have any conflict. Okay. So next we have must establish a clear link between the cause event and its effect, delay, or cost. So the evidence should clearly connect the event cause with the impact, such as delay or cost increase. Okay. Next, we have the must comply with the contractual and procedural requirement. So always follow the procedures defined in the contract, like FIDIC subclause 20.1, which explain how and when to submit a claim and supporting documents. Okay, so here I have also added the references. Here you can see. So these points are emphasized in AACE or P29R-03 and FIDIC guidelines. Okay, so I hope requirements for evidence are clear. Next, we have best practices or best practice recommendation. So let's finish with some best practices that will help you to build strong and professional claim evidence. Okay, so first you can see we have maintained complete and organized project records from the commencement. Okay, okay, so start recording. You can say from day one of the project. Keep everything properly organized in folder or a digital system. Okay. So second, we have reference or supporting evidence clearly in the claim narrative. So when writing your claim, always refer to document numbers or dates. For example, refer to site report number 45, dated 12th June, etc. Okay, so this makes your claim easy to verify. The next, use use a document control system to ensure traceability and uh, version control. So a good control system helps you track revision, avoid missing files, and maintain traceability. Okay. So last, we have ensured that evidence demonstrates cause effect impact relationship. So your evidence must clearly tell the story. What caused the problem, how it affected progress, what caused or delay resulted. Okay. So these recommendations are supported by these uh, references. Okay. So I hope this is clear. So let me summarize. Supporting evidence is the foundation of a strong claim. If your evidence is clear, accurate, and well organized, your claim will stand, you can say, strong during the evaluation or even arbitration. Okay, so remember, no matter how big or small the claim is, evidence is everything. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.